Thank you guys.
All right.
Appreciate it. It's nice to be able to help out nature. If you can help out the birds, it's always a good feeling.
Well, here's what we're watching here on Weather Center Live. Winter's last wallop, ? Well, it will actually impact up to 8 million people. Again, we have expert analysis on the late season storm set to drop upwards of a foot of snow on parts of the interior Northeast.
And the storm also has a very rainy side to it. We have the city-by-city impacts and who's going to see the rain and who will see the snow.
And on the opposite side of the country, Sin City is sizzling. We are on top of the record heat for the Southwest. Straight ahead on Weather Center Live. Hello, and thanks so much for joining us here on this Sunday for Weather Center Live. I'm Todd Sanders.
And I'm Crystal Egger. Flood watches are already up for Philadelphia and New York City. Buffalo, you're under a winter storm watch.
Yeah, and for expert analysis you will not find anywhere else. Let's kick things off with Tom Nizzle, our winter weather expert. Tom, again, we're talking some big-time snowfall numbers here.
Yeah, we are. We're beginning to see these two players come together across the mid-Atlantic region of the U.S. I want to show you quickly here our winter watch graphic. This is really outlining where the heaviest snow is going to occur over the next 36 hours. The area in white, in particular, the higher elevations here between the Buffalo-Pittsburgh corridor down to Elkins are going to be the areas that will be most affected. Now, I wanted to show you again how these players are coming together. Our first player here, this is the area that's bringing the heavy rain up along the East Coast, is beginning to weaken now as it moves along the coast. And our second player here, this is going to be the major player in producing that winter storm. That's bringing the cold air to the region. I want to show you a couple computer models here. This is a weather down at the surface, and in particular, watch the track of the low pressure system tonight through Monday. That particular track tends to produce heaviest snow just to the left of it, and that would be in this area right here. Our second player at the upper levels of the atmosphere is the cold air, and this area under the blue here is the coldest air with the system. Watch how that moves forward in time from this evening, running in through Monday morning, and then in through Monday afternoon. You can see that corridor between Buffalo and Pittsburgh under the coldest air. The combination of the coldest air and the precipitation associated with that surface low is what's going to produce the heavy snow across the region. Now, these are the snowfall totals we're looking at. 5 to 8 inches possible up in the Buffalo area. Higher elevations, Bradford down through Johnstown, PA, about a foot to a foot and a half of snow in April. Now, our biggest impacts on this system right now, we're still talking about tree damage. We're going to have tree branches coming down from that heavy wet snow and a combination of winds gusting over 30 miles an hour at times. I talked to the people up there back in my hometown. The trees are about 50 to 75